Hello, lovely viewers. You are very welcome to this channel. You are very welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to play guitar chord. How to play guitar chord. As a beginner, there are some courses you need to know on your lead guitar or an intermediate. There are some courses you need to know on your lead guitar. And today I'm going to explain that courses for you. There are some courses you need to know. And today I'm going to explain it for you. So let's take our key C. So from key C, you have to know your do, re, mi, fa. So there, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. There are three types of the do, re, mi, fa. So there are several types of do, re, mi, fa, so on the key C that you have to know the chord. So I'm going to teach you that three types. So number one, let's start from number one. We start from do. Then go to re. Then go to mi. Then go to fa. Then go to so. Go to la, then go to T, then come to do. So this is the number one. The number one chord you need to know. This is the number one. So let's take the number two. Chord progression number two. You have to know number two. You go to do. You go to re. Then you go to mi. Then you go to fa. Then you go to so. Go to la, then go to T, then go to do. You see, then go to do. So you end here. The number one ended here. The number two ended here. So chord number three, you have to know chord number three. You go to do, then go to re, then go to mi, then go to fa, then go to so. They come to la. They go to T. They come to do. So the number three, you never move an inch to this place. The number three, you play all your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do around this chord, around this circle. So the number one from here to here. The number two from here to here. And the number three from here to here. So these are the three chords you need to know on the lead guitar. So anytime you are playing your guitar solo, your guitar chord, it's going to help you very because some people when they strike, higher, when the praises go higher, His glory. You see, So I was able to play here, I shifted here, I came here, and I came here. It's because I know all the chords on the guitar board, so I can play anywhere, I can go anywhere. So this kind of 3 chords I have taught you, take it very serious and pay very attention to it and learn it very well. It's going to help you because some people play the C, you can play here, higher, higher, higher. When the breeze goes higher, His glory comes down. You see, so I can play here, I can play only here, and the number 3 you can play higher, higher, higher. When the praises go high, His glory come down. Did you get it? This is very simple. So you can choose to go anywhere on the board, and it's going to help you. So the number 1, the do start from here, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti, the do, and the number 2, the do start from here, the re, the mi, fa, so, la, and the T, do, and the number 3, the last one, is start from here, do, re, the mi is like this, the fa, the so, la, this is the 3 chords you need to know on your guitar board, and this 3 chords is going to help you develop more skills, and it's going to build your musical knowledge, and you are going to play like a professional. You are going to play like a professional. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos. Bye.